Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Desmond, and in my today's tutorial I want to take you through on how you can convert list of name into various cases. We have the uppercase, the lowercase, and the proper case. Kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content. So I'll first maybe teach you on how to convert the names in uppercase. I have a list here of the names in this column with mixed case. So if I want to convert these names into uppercase at once, I'll simply use the formula is equals to upper. I'll open the brackets, then I make reference to this cell. Then I'll simply hit the enter button. Then I will place my cursor at the right bottom of this cell. Then I'll simply drag to the bottom of this column to replicate the formula. To convert these same names into the lowercase, I'll simply clear this one, and I use the formula is equals to lower, open the brackets, then I make reference to the same cell, and I'll hit enter. Then I have my name captured in the lowercase. To replicate the formula, I'll simply place my cursor at the right bottom corner of this, then I'll simply drag to the bottom. Then I have my list of names in all the rows in the same case, which is the lower. To convert the same list of name into proper case, I'll simply use the formula is equals to proper, open the bracket. Wait, a proper case means maybe the first letter of the name will begin with the caps, then the subsequent letters will follow in maybe the lower cases. I'll make reference to this cell, then I'll simply hit enter. You will notice that the letter N in name here is in caps, then the subsequent letters are in lower cases. I'll simply drag the formula to the bottom of this column, then I'll have my names written in proper case. Then to do away with this wrong list, I'll simply copy, then I'll paste this column into the first column, then I'll hit paste. Then you'll notice that I have an error message here. So this means that I have done it wrongly. So I will have to use a different way of pasting, which I'll copy, then I will right click, then I'll select the paste special option here. Notice that I'm not using the paste P. I'm using the paste special, which is when I press paste special, I'll have this dialog box here. Then I'll select the values, then I'll tap OK. Then I can now delete this column in peace, and I have my clean list here. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel below for more videos. Thank you.